Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jermaine Lead Monster Steel here. Wanted to do this quick video to give you guys some valuable information. It's been a while. We just got back from Las Vegas, the ASD. You can go to ASD online for the next one in August, the wholesale event. Got a ton of product inventory there. Just kind of getting settled back in right now, and had some time to do this video. Been a really long week, but again, I wanted to share with you guys some information about TubeBuddy. Right, so a lot of you guys probably already heard about it, but what I'm going to be doing, as I posted in a couple of my groups, is I'm actually going to be hosting a private webinar for about 25 people. I don't want this to get out to too many people in reference to how I'm utilizing the pay-per-click traffic, not only for YouTube, but also for the affiliate program. So if you guys head over to TubeBuddy, just click the link below. I am an affiliate. I do receive a commission when you download TubeBuddy to your YouTube channel. All right, so what exactly is TubeBuddy? What does it do? Guys, this is a tool that assists with productivity, video SEO. It shows you keywords that people are searching for when it comes to your YouTube channel. And it's just a really powerful, successful tool that's been around for a really long time. Okay, so the fact of the matter is that you can easily connect your YouTube channel. As you can see, I've got mine connected here, right? And so basically what you could do is, I'm going to show you guys in the back office real quick. As you can see, how many views, how many subscribers, uploads. And what I really like, it's really cool, is it gives you guys, and I'm not too active, on this YouTube channel, but I do get a lot of searches for when I was in Dominican Republic, out in Vegas, Nacho Daddy. Again, you can see all the keywords: Punta Cana, all-inclusive, Occidental. Zero water filter. I actually make quite a few sales for Amazon as an affiliate for this keyword right here: zero water filter installation, zero water filter. Allegiant Stadium concert. We went to the Allegiant Stadium. I toured that and I did a video on that. So anyways, it shows you your subscribers. So obviously I've had, like I said, I've not been on this channel for a while. So you can see that's a -3 there, but you can see your engagement. My engagement's down, like I said, and that's why I'm doing this video, to, get that engagement up there, right? Partially, and then the other part of that is to give you guys the valuable information that you're going to need to first sign up. So the first step you're going to want to do is really just go over this, make sure it's something that you want to utilize for your YouTube channel. If you're not really active on YouTube, this whole group coaching that I'm going to be doing for you guys is not going to make any sense at all. But if you do have a YouTube channel that you're building, or you want to become an affiliate for this specific program, what's going to happen is it's a really good affiliate program. It's free, and that's why I'm bringing it forth to you guys. So you guys are going to need a Bing Ads account. All right, so you're going to need to go to bingads.com, try to get the free $100 Bing Ads coupon, and I'll show you guys how to find that. So Bing Ads 100 coupon. Once you have TubeBuddy installed, you've signed up as an affiliate, okay, and it's going to be really easy. Once you get in the back office, you're just going to go to promo materials or affiliate, the affiliate section, and you're also going to need, like I said, the Bing Ads account, okay? And so I'm not too sure that they do this anymore, but it still seems like it, right? So you're going to click here. So just do what I did, type in Bing Ads coupon 100, and then it says webtechcoupons.com. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click straight through the get offer link here. Sign up for a Bing account. Once you spend $25, it'll explain all that down here. You're going to actually get $100 in credit. Okay, so spend $25, get $100 in credit. All right, so that's going to basically be free traffic for you guys to utilize the affiliate program, and I'm going to be teaching you guys, exactly how to do all these different things. So they've got the Keyword Explorer. They've got the thumbnail generator, which is really cool. If you don't like, generating thumbnails, you could just do that through the thumbnail generator. It's a health report, A/B testing, bulk processing, all these different things. So, like, again, if you're really into video, this is something that can really help you, build your channel over the course of time, right? So the other thing you'll see here is related videos. So people are coming off of this video and they're finding other videos, right? There's also going to show you what sites people are coming from. So you can see I got a lot of, and this is the last 30 days. So you can see a lot of people are coming from the Google search. So they're probably searching like zero water filter. They're probably searching, like if we go to Google and we type in zero water filter, installation. I think that's what people were searching for. You might see my video, right? If you click on videos, you might not. You might have to scroll down a little bit. But the bottom line is that people are searching for specific keywords. I don't know exactly which is triggering them to, wind up on Google and find me. But you can utilize this tool to see where your traffic's coming from, right? If you can't measure your traffic and or your demographics, you can see here I tracked a lot of 25 to 54-year-olds, typically nothing below, nothing above, and that's been pretty typical. You can also see by device, so iPhone, tablet. People could be searching on their computer or their TV. Nowadays, people use the TV for the computer, and then the playback time. So sharing, comments, retention, things like that. So the minutes watched, so 26,000 minutes. Right, average duration, average percentage watched. So that means how long someone stuck around for your video. So this is the main thing that I like to utilize TubeBuddy for, is the health report. A lot of people say that they have to upgrade and pay for the software and things like that. But the fact of the matter is a really resourceful tool. And you can get all the pricing and everything on the website. But again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Head over to Traveling Beast. Let me pop up my channel. What I'm going to be doing is a private webinar. That's one of our mansion masterminds back in 2017, I believe. So anyways, subscribe to the channel, comment, add me on all these different social profiles. Hit me up somewhere and let me know you want to learn more about not just TubeBuddy as an affiliate, but affiliate marketing as a whole, guys. So I've done some really phenomenal things with people, for people, with people, throughout the years. And I'm looking forward to taking about 25 people into a special group coaching where I'm going to teach you guys how to promote this program, but also to basically, get your channel, primed, going where you're getting lots of views and things of that nature. And then the last thing is we're going to talk about, YouTube ads. I'm going to type in Google ads, but we're going to talk about YouTube ads. So in this group coaching, once I get 25 people, guys, I'm going to go ahead and start this up. And then I'm going to go ahead and talk about YouTube ads, because what's going to happen is as you start driving YouTube ads to your channel, right, you're going to find out you're going to get like 2 cents clicks and 2 cent impressions, 3 cent impressions. And I'm going to show you how to utilize that so that you're driving traffic back to, like this video, I have an ad running to this BMW battery replacement video. And then by default, people are going to automatically see the rest of your videos, right? So you can drive traffic to a video just like this. So I'm going to utilize this video that you're now watching. I'm going to drive traffic to it through YouTube ads, right? For people that are searching for this specific type of video. So there's some strategy going on here. If you guys want to learn that, click the link below, sign up for TubeBuddy, download that, subscribe to my YouTube channel, add me on Facebook, Jermaine Steele, Snapchat, Traveling Beast, Lead Monster. Find me wherever you guys can find me. Hit me up. Let me know you guys want in. And I'll see everyone in the next video. Peace.